Yeah, I keep the flow extra solid like some Metal Gear. You think you see me in reality, I'm never here. Every year I'm getting better, that's a fact. Ain't no looking back, I'ma get my money, make it stack, yeah. My focus right, homie, shout out to my interface. I be out in space, communicating with different races. In different places I go, I could do it in a million ways, different faces I show. Yeah, young Aquarius, pull up on a chariot. On my dog Sid, all we need veterinarians. The flow so various, the hoes wanna cherish this. Cause I grab the mic and go dumb like America. Yeah, another day, nothing new, just my mom's tripping. Procrastinating on the tube, watching Ras Kitchen. Everybody stressing out, how come Sean isn't? Y'all be taking life too serious, come on, listen. All you need is just a little bit of fruit with a little bit of water. Overhead you got a roof, then you good. Why the fuck you always try to go complain? You the very reason for your pain. Shit's insane, man. Real talk, I'll be happy with the wooden shack. Up in Jamaica with my dogs where I'm cooking snacks. Climb a tree for the food to get a little guap. Then I hit the spot, make a rhythm that I call a bop. Shout out Mokko, he be whipping up the fish. I'ma try to pay a visit just to see him make a dish. I tell vibration, dog, you know what it is. I'ma pulling up with Yip, dog, get it like this, ayy. Yo, hey, shout out Ras Kitchen, that show go hard as fuck, dog. No foo-foo shit, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. Hey, yeah.